Hey guys, this is Nico T. I'm the captain and owner of Sailing Vessel Paradigme 2.0. I'm here in Marina Puerto Vallarta at Paradise Village. We left Zihuatanejo, Ixtapa about a week ago. We've done some drone shots, we've captured some pictures of dolphins. We got all kinds of stuff that we want to make sure that you see. This channel will be about yachting and boating life in general, particularly sailing and ocean sailing. I want to talk to you about free diving, I want to talk to you about surfing. I want to make sure that we hit all the right destinations, like the nice resorts or the nice restaurants, the nice place to fix a boat. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you click that bell button so you get your notification when we post some new material, and I'll see you on the water.